This is the GoBio system. It's a technology from Korea that was introduced into North America in 2008. Our company, Greentail Environmental, is launching it this year across Canada. We have the exclusive distributor rights. The GoBio system is a very simple system. It's a food waste to water digester. Simply on the operation side, you open the hatch and then throw in the food waste and then close the hatch again. The technology works with microorganisms which are approved by the Canadian Environmental Protection Act and is on the DSL list. The microorganisms live in the wood chips inside the machine. Coupled with the right amount of temperature, right amount of water, we're creating an ideal digestion process inside the chamber. After the door is closed, it automatically adds the water, keeps the right temperature, and starts the digestion process. The microorganisms produce an enzyme which breaks down the biomolecules such as the proteins, carbohydrates, and separates the water. The water simply goes through and down the drain and safely flush down the drain. The water is city compliant and we're approved and meet all the water regulations across the country.
What are the dimensions of this?
The dimensions of this particular one will fit right beside a small the dishwasher. We have 4 sizes. We have a 1500, the 1200, and the 800 and the 400. The 1500 means that we can process up to 1,500 pounds of food waste per day. So
how much is that for the average person? How much food is that?
For the average person, let's take a look at T&T Supermarket. They produce about 2,000 pounds of food waste per day. And so T&T would require 2 machines to process their entire food waste. If you were to put mostly produce waste, the process would be faster, such as lettuce and cabbage and so forth. It would start to break down into water much faster than we were to put chicken or fish bones.
Now, Metro Vancouver has promised to get rid of all food organics by 2015 from the food stream. Do you think with this that we can do that?
Absolutely. This 1200, for example, if we were to install 1200 units, such as the Overweighty Food Group, for example, it would divert 21,900 tons of food waste, and it would also save $1.8 million in hauling fees and 4.8 million or 400,000, I should say, in tippage fees. That's 3,600 less trucks doing the pickups.
300 and how much per day is that?
That's 3,600 less truck pickups.
Per week?
That's right, for the entire year.
For the entire year, right.
And so 1200, for example, would divert 21 tons.
Wow, okay.